Buffalo Lightning Link, 5-cent denom. This is a $5 bet. Come on. Thought we were going to do it right out of the gate.
First spin.
Come on.
There you go.
Second spin in. Get that majors, 1,000. Minis, 100. Majors, $1,185.42. We need Buffalo. Come on, one more. There we go. Thank you. We got 14 so far. We need 20 to get the grand, which is 11,897. Another $5 Buffalo. Come on. Come on, Buffalo. Land it. One more. Come on, baby. Hit it. One more. Come on. One more. One more. Not bad for a second spin bonus. Second spin bonus. Put in 10 and won 190. Back up. Back up again. Sunsets are wild. 3 gold coins, trigger-free games. $7.25. The must-hit features at $4.49. 9s for $10. Come on, 3 gold coins. Okay, change it up. Oh, miner's worth $500. Where's that miner? Come with 7 other buffaloes. Your turn. Hit it, see? Hit it hard. Nice $25 buffalo. $10 bet trigger is at $9.99. Come on, do it, baby. Try 10-cent denom. 3, one more. You're late. You're late, one more. Oh, do it for us. Try dime. 3, all right. Oh, $5 denom, but you know what? What do we always say? We'll take it. What does everybody say? They'll take it. Come on, Buffalo, don't be shy. Hold the spin. Hold the spin. 2 coins. Coin. Wow, skunked. Coin. You guys need to line up from the left to the right. Don't start in the middle. I'm talking about you, yellow background. Try dime. Okay. Come on, 3 coins. free. Ooh. Come on, 6. Somebody recently triggered the free feature.
Yep.
Come on, 3. Do it for us. Oh, too shy. Go back to nickel. $440. This machine went to sleep.
They give you a taste, that was it.
Yep, just a taste.